This is my first haul video and it is a huge anime haul. There are two items that aren't anime related, so I'm going to show them first. The first one is the Chronicles of Narnia Prince Caspian. This is the Blu-ray release and it was released by Disney. Next I have Twilight the Ultimate Collector Gift Set. This is limited edition and I think it's an Amazon exclusive. I'm not too sure. And it comes with these items. And this is the limited edition sticker. And it comes with this amazing box. Next I have the 12 Kingdoms Premium Collection 1, released by Anime Works. It comes in this amazing art box. Looks pretty cool. Next I have Naruto Uncut Box Set 5 Special Edition. It was released by Viz Media. And it comes with this figure. Next I have Naruto Uncut Box Set 7, also Special Edition. And it comes with this. Next I have Death Note Volume 7 Limited Edition. Comes with this figure. This was released by Viz Media. Next I have Inuyasha second season box set. This was released by Viz Media. And this set comes with these 4 blocks. Next I have Naruto Uncut Box Set 9 Special Edition. Comes with this. Okay. Next I have Hero Tales Part 2. This was released by Funimation. Haven't seen this series, so I'm gonna check this out. Next I have Naruto Shippuden Box Set 3 Special Edition. Released by Viz Media. Comes with this figure. Next I have Naruto Uncut Box Set 6, also Special Edition. Okay. Next I have Ghost Hound Complete Series. This was released by Sentai Filmworks. Next I have Death Note Volume 1 Limited Edition. Comes with this figure. Also released by Viz Media. Next I have Inuyasha third season box set. Also released by Viz Media. And it comes with this necklace. Next I have Prince of Tennis Box Set Volume 4, released by Viz Media as well. I have Death Note Volume 6 Limited Edition. The last item I have is Death Note Volume 9 Limited Edition. I have most of the Death Note Limited Editions. The only one I'm missing is probably Death Note Volume 3. Besides that, I have all the Death Notes.